Hello viewers! In this video, we'll see how to make Khasta Kachori. This is a savory snack made with a mixture of Moong Dal and other lip-smacking spices that are bundled into a puri shape, which are then deep fried into a golden flaky snack. Let's get started and check out the recipe. First, rinse and soak half cup of Moong Dal in enough water for 2 hours. Next, to a mixing bowl, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida. Add in half a teaspoon of salt and quarter cup of ghee or oil. Now, with your fingertips, combine the oil into the flour until crumbly. Next, add in water little at a time and knead to form a soft dough. Cover this with a moist cloth and set aside to rest for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, drain the soaked Moong Dal and blend to a coarse paste. Next, in a hot pan, heat half a tablespoon of ghee. Add in quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, half a teaspoon of dry ginger powder, half a teaspoon of dhania or coriander seeds powder, 1 teaspoon of crushed fennel seeds or saunf, 1 teaspoon amchur or dry mango powder, half a teaspoon of chaat masala, half a teaspoon of garam masala, and 1 teaspoon of crushed Kasuri Methi. Saute on low and mix well. Now add in the coarsely ground Moong Dal and required salt. Saute while stirring continuously for about 3 to 4 minutes on a low flame. Turn off heat, taste and adjust any spices or salt and let cool down. When the mixture is warm to touch, make small balls and set aside. Next, after 30 minutes of resting, lightly knead the dough. Roll into a log and divide into smaller portions. Take one portion, form into a ball and flatten with your fingers while keeping the edges thin and the center thicker. Place a ball of the Moong Dal mixture in the center and flatten slightly. Bring the dough together and flatten to make a patty. You can flatten it into a patty using a rolling pin or baleen too. Next, heat oil for deep frying. To test the temperature, add a small piece of dough to the oil. It should slowly sizzle and steadily rise to the surface. Now add in the kachoris. When the base turns slightly golden, flip them and continue to fry on a low to medium flame. Flip them to maintain an even color and fry for around 8 minutes. Once they become golden and crisp, remove from oil and place on a paper towel. Serve warm with fried and salted green chilies, tamarind dates chutney and green chutney. Enjoy!